To ship a real SaaS, you need auth, payments, usage-based billing, and notifications. So you reach for 4 tools: Clerk, Stripe, Lago, and Knock. All good, all separate. 4 subscriptions, 4 dashboards, 4 SDKs to wire up. But the subscriptions aren't the real cost. The glue is, you sync users from Clerk into Knock. You turn Stripe payments into Lago usage. You check entitlements to gate your UI. You keep 4 webhook streams in sync. And when one changes its API, you're the one who fixes it, forever. There's another way. One SDK, the glue's already inside it. One install gives you auth, workspaces, usage-based billing, and notifications, already wired together. Record usage, enforce the quota, fire the notification. One dashboard, one bill, on your own Stripe, with a 0% cut. Clerk, Stripe, Lago, and Knock are all strong tools. This is about owning one integration instead of 4. We run 5 live products on it ourselves. Buildbase.